Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Dr. Linz. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to do a super helpful supplement review, especially for those of you who suffer from allergies. But first, before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to be reviewing Alleviate, which is a natural remedy to help alleviate our allergy symptoms. If you're like me, change of weather, we're up north right now, scratchy throat, congestion, maybe a little bit of a runny nose, coughing, sneezing, you name it. Alleviate is meant to naturally help those symptoms. But first, I want to tell you we should be doing things proactively to help our immune system and our allergies by working on things like our gut health and, like I said, our immune system. That's why I have the 21-day gut cycle as well as the daily feel good, which you can check out right below. So I'm going to go over just a few things in here that just make sense as to why this really does help us, and it doesn't just put a mask over the symptoms that we're experiencing. So the first thing I want to go over and Alleviate is called stinging nettle leaf. I know that sounds funky dunky, and it's like, can I consume that? Yes, we can. So this acts as an anti-inflammatory, which is good because if we are in the dry air, if our mucus lining is kind of getting scratchy, this can help decrease that inflammation. And if we have stuffiness going on, this can help things start flowing so we can breathe again. Another cool thing that's in here is N-acetylcysteine, which helps the mucus viscosity. So you know when you have that thick snot, pretty much, this helps with decreasing that thickness and again helping us clear out that congestion. And that's just two awesome things that are in Alleviate to naturally combat those allergy symptoms, as well as things like the cold. Some things I noticed when I started taking it: first of all, I was having a little bit of a stuffy nose. I noticed some more boogers, as gross as that sounds, and just kind of some scratchiness going on in my throat. When I started taking this, I started taking two first thing in the morning so I wouldn't forget, and I noticed that I could blow my nose and I was actually getting snot or mucus out, as again gross as that sounds, but it's true. So it really helped clear that out, and I don't have that scratchiness anymore, and when I'm waking up in the morning I don't have that stuffy congested feeling after taking it for about a week now straight. And a little side note, I actually bought this for my dad, and he's taking it too and absolutely loves it because he tends to get sick around this time of year and as well as around Christmas time. So I made sure he has this stocked up and ready to go at the first sign or symptom of feeling that stuffiness. He's going to be taking this. To take this, it's really easy peasy. It's 2 capsules a day. I always recommend with taking with food and water. And like I said, I personally take it first thing in the morning, but you can take it whenever during the day. So all in all, this has been a fantastic natural remedy for myself, my dad, as well as many clients who suffer from allergy symptoms, as well as change in seasons where they're just feeling off, maybe feel like they might be catching something. This has helped alleviate those things. So if you're like them and have that stuffy nose, get that congestion, maybe get sinus issues, look into this Alleviate. I will link this right below for you to check out. It also does support me, which I 100% appreciate. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and don't forget to give this a like if you found this helpful. We'll talk to you next time. Peace, love.